Yes, I watch it.
MashaAllah. I send you a video. Yeah, excellent, my son. I sent you a video about the respiratory system. Was it easy to understand it?
Yes. Yeah.
We have studied
Yes.
the human respiratory system. Very good.
I am not. I am not understand the respiratory system.
I will repeat it again for you if you want. I will repeat it again. No problem at
Okay,
all. No problem at
repeat
all.
this.
I will repeat it. Okay, no problem at all. No problem. I will repeat it. If you open
I
your
understand it, but not by the video.
yeah, I will send you a video. I send you a video. You can watch the video many times. Okay.
Okay.
You can watch the video many times, and now we will revise it and we continue talking about the respiratory system in the fish. In the last session, we discussed together the respiratory system in the human respiratory system. And today we are going to study the fish respiratory system, and we will compare between the two of them, the fish respiratory system and the human respiratory system. And we will compare how do the fish respire and how do the human respire. If you remember, we studied how do we respire, how we respire, how we inhale air and how we exhale air, how we take air in and how we take air out. We produce a carbon dioxide and we take a oxygen. Okay, so when we are talking about respiration process, we say it is a complex process. What is the meaning of complex process? It is made of many processes. It is not one process only. It is made of many processes. Like what? Like inhalation process, like exhalation process, okay? Like gas exchange, okay? So we have many processes in the respiration, and also in the end, after the body get oxygen, and the oxygen move to the body cells by the help of the blood. The blood carry oxygen to all body cells, and we also carry digested food to all body cells by the help of digestive system. We carry the digested food to all body cells, and by the help of respiratory system, we carry oxygen to all body cells. When the oxygen and the food go to all body cells, now the oxygen burns the food. The oxygen burn the food and release energy. So what is meant by respiration?
Why oxygen go?
Burning of food to release energy. What is meant by respiration? Okay, burning of food to release energy. Who can say it again? What's meant by respiration?
Oxygen.
Omar Ala, you have
Go.
wait, Omar, wait, Omar. You have to raise your hand. Everybody follow the rules. If you want to answer, raise your hand. Okay. So I will mute everybody if you don't follow the rules, okay? If you want to answer, please raise your hand. Omar Ala, now you are ready. Yes, Omar, talk to Omar. You can talk, Omar. Okay. What is meant by respiration process?
Why the diaphragm goes up and down?
This is very easy. To make inhalation and to make exhalation, to inhale in and to inhale out. Is it easy? To let the air enter the lungs, yes. The diaphragm contract and moves down. To let the air moves outside the body, the diaphragm relaxes and move up. Is it easy?
Yes.
So inhalation and exhalation, the diaphragm moves down to let the air moves down inside the body. Inside the two lungs, and the exhalation, the diaphragm moves up to let the air goes outside the body carrying carbon dioxide. So the oxygen enter the body by inhalation, and the carbon dioxide goes outside the body during exhalation. What help in this? What the organ help in this? The diaphragm. The diaphragm help in inhalation and exhalation. How the diaphragm help in inhalation and exhalation? When the diaphragm contract and they descend, yani move down, the lungs filled with air. The air go to the lungs. The air enter the lungs. The air enter the lungs carrying oxygen gas. The air enter the lungs carrying what? Oxygen gas. The air goes here to the nose, then to the trachea, then to the two lungs. Is it easy? This is inhalation process. So when we say the first part of respiration is inhalation, the first part is a inhalation. The air carrying oxygen go inside the body. The air carrying oxygen gas, O2. Oxygen gas, we can say O2. This is inhalation process. And diaphragm help in this by contraction and moving down. The diaphragm moves down, so it contracts and moves down. So the air enters the lung, the nose, then enter the trachea, then enter the lungs. So the lungs become bigger and bigger. The size of the lungs become bigger and bigger because it is filled with what? Filled with air, filled with oxygen. And during exhalation process, what happened? Who can tell me? During exhalation process, what happened?
Yeah.
Yes, tell me.
The diaphragm relaxes and rises.
Adam, yes, Adam. But you have to raise your hand, Adam. Adam Samir, yes, Adam. Or Muhammad Samir, who is ready?
Me.
Muhammad and Ahmed, the one who follow the rule will answer. Muhammad and Ahmed. Follow the rule, very good, Muhammad. Now Muhammad is raising hand. Muhammad, can you answer me?
The diaphragm relax.
Yeah,
and
move A, relax and move A.
Upward.
Move upward. Relax and move upward. And the air goes A. And the air goes outside the body, carrying what gas?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Very good, Muhammad. Very good, Ahmed. Very good, Muhammad and Ahmed Helmi. The air carrying carbon dioxide go outside the body. This is exhalation process. Okay? Thank you, Muhammad and Ahmed. Thank you very much. Now, Adam, can you tell me, you are raising hand. Excellent, Adam. Can you tell me, Adam, the diaphragm now relaxes or contracts in exhalation process? Relaxes, very good. And the chest cavity, the two lung size become bigger or smaller?
Mister, I want to answer this.
Omar, yes, Omar. The chest
Bigger.
or the two lungs become bigger or smaller?
Bigger.
When the diaphragm relaxes. When the diaphragm relaxes. The
Smaller.
air goes out. And the two lungs become bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
Smaller, very good. Omar Ala, very good, Adam.
Relaxes is smaller.
Very good, my son. Very good. You are excellent, my son. Everybody is excellent. Okay. Now I will mute. Let me mute your mic, and I will for 5 minutes only. I will explain the respiration in the fish, the respiratory system in the fish. Okay. Let's go to the fish. Now we will talk about the respiratory system in the fish and how do the fish breathe. How do the fish breathe? Okay. Okay. Focus with me, my son. Focus with me. Okay. We'll study it now. You know the fish live in water or in the land? I need your answer now on the chat. If you want to answer, you can answer on the chat. Where does the fish live? I need your answer on the chat. Yeah, in water. Very good, Mustafa. Very good, Ahmed and Muhammad. Very good, Ahmed. Very good, Amr. In water. Very good, Omar Ala. Thank you, everybody. Enough. Now we have to know that the fish lives in water. Maybe fresh water, maybe salty water. Excellent, excellent. And the fish respires through water. Okay. The fish take oxygen gas from the water. Is it okay? Time. The question now. Ready to write the answer on the chat, okay? Ready to write the answer. Now, wait a minute. Listen to my question. Listen to my question. The man, the human, we respire the air, the oxygen from the air, but the fish respire oxygen from the water, okay? Now, the respiratory system of the human must be similar or different from the fish. Again, the respiratory system of the fish, which take oxygen from water, must be similar or different. Very good, Adam. It is different, not similar. Very good, Muhammad and Ahmed Helmi. Very good. It must be different. Why? It must be different. Not similar, my son Kareem. Not similar. You take air, you take oxygen from the air, and you have lungs to do that. You have lungs to do that, 2 lungs. But the fish take oxygen from the water. So they have what? They have something called gills. They have something called what? Gills. They have another different respiratory system. They have gills. Yeah, Omar Kamal, very good, Omar. Gills, very good, Kareem. He say gills. So the main organ of respiratory system of human is the 2 lungs. And the main organ of respiratory system in the fish is the gills. So they are different respiratory system because we take oxygen from air, but the fish take oxygen from the water. Is it okay? Thank you, everybody. Hashim, thank you, Hashim. Thank you, Muhammad Samir. Stop writing now. Stop writing now. Focus with me, okay? Focus with me, please. Now, the fish use gills to breathe oxygen from the water, and they expel carbon dioxide. And the fish have gills. Remember, the fish has what? Gills. The fish has gills. And this is a structural adaptation. Very good, Adam. Very good, Adam. Very good, my son. This is a structural adaptation. You make a link with the other lesson. Very good. Adam says this is a structural adaptation. Very good, because the lungs different from gills. So we have different body structure. We have different organ. So this is a structural adaptation. Very good, Adam. Thank you, Adam. Now also we have what? We have the gills are located on the sides of the fish head, and the gills open and close. The gills open and close. Watch, my son. The gills found on the side of the fish head, and the gills open and close. Look at the picture. The fish here. The fish are here. The gills are here. You can see the fish. Gills here. We have gills here, some gills here, and so on, like this. Okay, like this. And we have a gill cover. The gill cover here is closed. The gill cover is closed. But here in the other picture, this is inhalation, the process of inhalation. The gill cover is closed because the water will enter the 2 lungs. Will enter the mouth. The water will enter the mouth of the fish. So the gill cover is closed, but the mouth is open. The mouth is open. So the fish open the mouth and close the gill cover. السمكة تفتح الفم وتدخل الماء. The fish open the mouth and enter the water, and the gill cover is closed. غطاء الخياشيم يكون مغلق. في هذه الحالة غطاء الخياشيم يكون مغلق. So the water enter the mouth of the fish, carrying what gas? I am waiting your answer on the chat. Water go inside the mouth of the fish, carrying what gas? Who write on the chat? I am waiting your answer. Yusuf, Mustafa, very good, Mustafa. Oxygen, very good. O2, very good. Carrying oxygen. The water carrying oxygen, not carbon dioxide, Kareem. Oxygen. Very good. So the water carrying oxygen enter the mouth of the fish. Is it easy? Okay. Now this is inhalation process. This is inhalation process in the fish. This is inhalation process in the fish. Is it okay? The inhalation process in the fish open the mouth and enter the water carrying oxygen. This is inhalation process. And now the oxygen enter with the water, and the gills filter the water and take oxygen. The gills filter. The gills do what? The gills filter the water. Filter the water from oxygen and take oxygen. Now oxygen go inside the the gills, the oxygen go inside the gills like this, oxygen go inside the gills, okay? And after that, what will happen? Oxygen go inside, and after that, the fish push the water out. The fish push the water out, but carrying what gas? The fish open the gill cover and push the water out after taking oxygen from it. What gas will contain? What gas will be here? I am waiting your answer on the chat. Yes, the gill open and get rid of A. Very good, my son. Get rid of CO2, carbon dioxide. This is a what process? What is the name of this process? Yeah, very good. What is the name of this process? I am waiting your answer on the chat. Very good, Amr. Very good, Karim. Very good, Mustafa Murad. You are excellent, my son. The first one. Adam, very good. This process is called the Hamza. Carbon dioxide. The process is called exhalation. Very good, Muhammad and Ahmad Helmi. Excellent. When the fish open the gill and they expel out carbon dioxide, it is exhalation process. Very good, my son. This is exhalation process. Now carbon dioxide go again outside the body. Carbon dioxide go outside. Very good, Yusuf. Very good, Hamza. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, my son. So we have here inhalation and exhalation. We have also in the fish, we have inhalation and exhalation. Very good, Omar. Exhalation. Very good, my son. Excellent, everybody. Excellent, everybody. I will show you a video about it now. Because you are excellent, I will show you a video about the respiration of the fish. Let's see this video together, okay?
If you want to achieve better results, make a great impression, and save time at work, you should get Grammarly.
Watch the video with me, my son. Watch the video, okay?
Fish are aquatic animals. Water contains oxygen dissolved in it. Depending on temperature and other factors, the level of dissolved oxygen in water is about 4 to 15 milligrams per liter. Fish extract this dissolved oxygen from the surrounding water by a process called aquatic respiration. Fish have specialized structures called gills to carry out exchange of gases with water. The gills are located on either side of the head of fish, behind the mouth cavity. In bony fish, the gills are covered by a hard bony flap called the operculum. It is also known as gill cover. In cartilaginous fish, the operculum is lacking and the individual openings to gills are called gill slits. During the process of exchange of gases, a fish first gulps water through its mouth. At the time of the intake of water, the mouth opens while the operculum remains closed. The fish then closes its mouth and opens the operculum to force the water out through closed.
Now, your son, listen, everybody. Listen, my son. And now we have the mouth is open. The mouth is open and the gill cover is closed. I want you to tell me this is inhalation or exhalation. The mouth is open and the gill cover is closed. I wait your answer on the chat. Very good, Mustafa Murad. Inhalation. Very good, Adam. Inhalation. Very good, my son. The fish take oxygen. Omar Ala, the fish take oxygen now from the water. Inhalation, very good, Muhammad and Ahmad Helmi. Very good, Yusuf. Inhalation, very good. Focus with me, okay? Inhalation, everybody. Thank you. Stop writing. Stop writing now. Continue the video. Continue the video.
The fish then closes its mouth and opens the operculum to force the water out through the gills.
Okay, now, when the gill cover is open, and the water go outside the gills, what is the name of this process? Very good, Muhammad and Ahmad Helmi. Excellent. Very good, Adam. Excellent. Exhalation. Very good, my son. Very good. This is now exhalation. Very good, Hamza. Very good, everybody. Hamza, very good, Malik. Stop writing now. Amr Magdi, very good. Enough, my son. Continue the video. So when the gill cover is open and the water go outside, this is exhalation process. This is a exhalation. Very good, Yusuf. Very good, Hashim. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Watch the video. Continue watching.
Out through the gills. The color of the gills is dark red or brown red because of the presence of a large number of blood capillaries in it. These capillaries come in close contact with the current of water crossing the gills. Blood absorbs the dissolved oxygen from the water by diffusion. The unique structure.
Okay, now what can we see in the video now, my son? The gills extract oxygen from the water. Again, the gills extract oxygen from the water. الخياشيم تستخلص الأكسجين. الخياشيم تستخلص الأكسجين منين؟ من الووتر، من المية. يبقى العملية دي زي بالظبط إيه الجاز اكستشينج اللي بتحصل فين؟ في اليومن في الالفيلاي. Very good. Exchange gases. Very good, Adam. Very good. Gas exchange happen in the gills, not in the alveoli. In the human body, in the lungs, we have alveoli which make gas exchange. But here we have what? We have gills. The gills extract oxygen from the water. The water contains dissolved oxygen. The water contains dissolved oxygen. الأكسجين ذائب في الماء. الأكسجين إيه؟ ذائب في الماء. Okay? I will open the mic now after a while, Yusuf. Wait a minute, okay? Continue
Of the
watching.
gills ensures that they absorb most of the oxygen dissolved in the water that is passing between them. Simultaneously, carbon dioxide from the blood diffuses out of the gill.
And now carbon dioxide is released outside. The gills go to the water. Carbon dioxide go to the water and then it will be expelled outside the body from the gills. So the water carrying carbon dioxide go outside the body from the gills. The gill cover open and the water carrying carbon dioxide goes outside the gills. So this is exhalation process.
Capillaries into the water. The water containing carbon dioxide is expelled through the open operculum. Besides being the respiratory organs, the gills also play an important role in maintaining the balance of. The gills also play an important role.
Now, watch. The first step of respiration, oxygen enter the mouth. The first step, the first step is the gills open the mouth, okay? And the second step is
in maintaining the balance of
oxygen enter the
salts in
mouth and the
fish.
carbon dioxide go outside the body.
Fishes like balance of salts in fish.
Carbon dioxide goes outside
Maintaining the balance of
the
salt.
body. Carbon dioxide go outside the body. Is it okay? Now, Yusuf, you have a question, Yusuf. What do you have? Yusuf, Khalid. What do you have? Yeah, you can talk, Yusuf. You have a question, Yusuf?
Yes.
Tell me quickly.
I don't understand the respiratory system.
Of the fish
Or
or of the human?
Fish.
Okay, again, my son. It is so easy. It is so easy, okay? The human contain main organ of respiration, which is the two lungs, okay? Keep with me, okay? Keep with me, answer me. What is the main organ of respiration in the human?
The organ of respiration of human?
The two lungs. Is it okay?
Yes.
Well, again, repeat. Tell me again. What is the main organ of respiration in the human?
The lungs.
Okay, and what is the organ of respiration in the fish?
The gills.
Very good, Yusuf. You are excellent, Yusuf. The gills. So we have two lungs, and the fish has gills. Okay. Again, we have two lungs, and the lungs take oxygen from the air or from the water. The human take air from
Air.
The air or take oxygen from the air or from the water?
Air.
From the air. And the fish has gills. Why has gills? Because it took oxygen from where?
From the water.
Very good. So we have lungs because we take oxygen from the air, and the fish has gills to take oxygen from the water. Is it easy?
Yes, but I
Okay.
mean
We make inhalation and exhalation. Is it okay? We make
okay, what is
inhalation
the time
and
you take
exhalation.
inhalation?
Okay.
The time you take exhalation.
Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Listen to me. Listen to me. We make inhalation and exhalation. Oh, is it okay?
Yes.
By the help of diaphragm, we make inhalation. The diaphragm contracts and moves down, so the air carrying oxygen enter the nose and enter the lungs. Is it easy?
Yes.
And the exhalation, the diaphragm relaxes and move up, so the air carrying carbon dioxide go outside the lungs and go outside the nose. Is it easy?
Yes.
Now look at the fish. The fish open the mouth. Why the fish always open the mouth many times? To enter what?
To enter the oxygen.
With water. Oxygen with water. Is it easy? Oxygen dissolved in water. Oxygen dissolved in what?
Water.
In water. Then after that, the water carrying oxygen passes through the mouth, then go to the now the water carrying oxygen go to the gills. Is it okay?
Okay.
The oxygen passes from the mouth with the water and go to the gills. What does the gills do? الجلز هتعمل ايه؟ extract oxygen from water. بتستخلص الاكسجين من الووتر. Is it easy?
Yeah.
Like the gas exchange in the human, like the alveoli. بتعمل extract oxygen from the air. لكن الجلز بتعمل extract oxygen from from water. This is also gas exchange. This is also gas exchange. Is it easy?
Yes.
After that, it makes what? It makes exhalation. How? The water carrying carbon dioxide goes outside the mouth or the gills? The water carrying carbon dioxide goes outside the mouth or the gills?
Outside the...
Huh? The gills.
mouth.
لا the gills. لأن الwater enter the mouth carrying oxygen. The water enter the mouth carrying oxygen. لكن the water carrying carbon dioxide go outside through the gills. Is it okay? Is it easy?
Yes.
Now oxygen go inside the body with water here from the mouth. Okay? O2 enter from the mouth. And the carbon dioxide go outside where? CO2 goes outside from the gills. CO2 goes outside from the gills. Is it easy?
Yeah.
Now you understand it?
Yes.
This is the way of respiration in the fish. Okay, my son?
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, my son. You are excellent. Amr Magdi, you have a question, Amr Magdi? What is your question, Amr Magdi?
I don't.
You don't have a question? Okay, now also Omar Ala. Do you have a question, Omar Ala? Omar Ala, you have a question?
Yes, mister.
Quickly tell me, please.
I have the...
What's your question, Omar Ala?
Mister, the fish in carbon dioxide, what is through the fish? Through fish carbon dioxide.
I cannot understand your question. The fish inhale by taking water carrying oxygen. Make inhalation by taking.
The fish through the carbon dioxide.
Outside the body through the gills. Through it outside the body by the gills, by the help of the gills. Is it okay? Carbon dioxide go outside from here. Go outside from here, from the gills. Is it easy?
Yes, easy.
But oxygen
Carbon
go
dioxide
inside the
through-
mouth. The oxygen enter the body by the mouth. Is it easy?
Yes, easy.
So we
Oxygen
have
goes to
oxygen
mouth.
enter. We have oxygen enter the body in inhalation process from the mouth, and the carbon dioxide go outside the body through exhalation
No.
through the gills. Now you understand it?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. If anybody has a question, please ask me. No problem at all. Okay. Now we have to continue. What is the differences and the similarities between the human respiratory system and the fish respiratory system? The similarities and the differences between the human respiratory system and the fish respiratory system. Okay. First similarities. The first similarity التشابه والاختلاف بين الهيومن ريسبيراتوري سيستم والفيش ريسبيراتوري سيستم. هنتكلم الاول عن التشابه. ماشي يا شباب؟ سيميلاريتي يعني التشابه. اتفقنا؟ طيب بسرعه عشان ما عندناش وقت. السيميلاريتي the respiratory system of human and the fish similar in a they take oxygen. They need oxygen. They inhale air oxygen. Inhale oxygen and they get rid of carbon dioxide. This is the similarity. We inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide. We take oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide. This is the similarity. But the difference is what? The difference is the respiratory system between the respiratory system of human differ from the fish because we have lungs. We breathe by the lungs, and the fish breathes with the fish breathes with gills. The fish breathes with what? With gills. Is it easy? Easy?
Yes.
Now, I have to solve some questions. I have some questions for you. Let's go to solve some questions about the fish respiratory system. Well, I have here some questions in the school book. Open your school book, please. Open your school book. Page 29. Page 29. Okay.
Don't have the school book.
I send it to you on Classera and on WhatsApp. You have it on Classera and you have it on WhatsApp. Is it okay? You have a soft copy on WhatsApp and on Classera, okay? Now my homework, ya shabab, my homework is what? This is my homework in the school book. This will be your homework. What is the question here? What is the question here? This is your homework.
What are the similarities between the human respiratory system and the fish respiratory system? What are the difference? And what are the difference?
Can you solve
yes,
it?
That's so
Is
easy.
it easy, my son?
Yes, it's so easy.
If you understand
Very
the
easy.
lesson, if you understand the lesson, you can answer it easily, inshallah. I send it to WhatsApp. I send the question to WhatsApp. Is it okay?
Okay.
Can you see? You can see it now on WhatsApp.
Yes, it's okay.
Thank you, everybody. I will end the session now. Thank you, everybody. I love you so much. Thank you very much.
We are
okay.
love you.
I love you so much. Thank you, everybody. Goodbye.
We are too.
Salam
Bye-bye.
alaikum.